The Kingdom of Buganda, working through the Kabaka Foundation and the Kingdom's Ministry for Social Services, which is in charge of health, and the Central Government Ministry of Health, is organizing a health camp on the 1st of March here in the grounds of Bulangi. We are going to screen, we're going to have screens for cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, and cervix cancer. We are going to carry out tests for HIV. We are going to carry out tests for sickle cell disease. We are going to carry out tests for sight and for pressure. All these medical extensions are going to be free of charge. And the purpose is to ensure that we detect early the health condition of members of the public. As you all know, we've got extensive programs in the kingdom which are intended to restore the kingdom to a level that, brings good life to the ordinary citizen, to improve social and economic well-being of the people. But that's not attainable unless the members of the public are in good health. So we are calling upon you to come on the 1st of March here in the grounds of Bulange for different screening for different types of cancers, for different ailments, including HIV, including sickle cell disease, sight, pressure. All of it free of charge. And we are going to organize different locations for different tests. So we call upon you to come forth and get tested, have good health, and we together work for the prosperity of the kingdom and the country at large.